I'm going to show you a way to play King and Queen of Hearts by David Pomeranz so you can sing along without needing to memorize hundreds of notes or read complicated sheet music. It's going to sound a little something like this.
Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together?
A special thank you for requesting this song. I'm going to teach you the chords to play, and because of that, we only have to learn 4 parts to play the whole song. So let's start with the introduction. We start with this A major chord using thumb, second finger, and ring finger. Then we go up to a B minor 7 chord, an A over C sharp, still thumb, second finger, fourth finger. Now a D major 7 chord, back to the A over C sharp, to a C major 7 chord, 2 more, a B minor 7 chord again, and finally a D over E. Now let's try that with the rhythm slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, D major 7, 4, and 1, 2, 3. 2 more chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the intro. The next part is for the verse, and it's for all 3 verses. They each have the same chords. So similar to the intro, start with an A major chord again, go to a B minor 7 chord again, A over C sharp again, and also that D major 7. So those first 4 chords are the same as the intro, but here we change. We go B minor 7 to a D over E, C major 7, D add 9, B minor 7, D over E, then 3 more chords, A, move the top note to make it an A sus4, and finish on that A again. After the verse, we go into the chorus, and that starts with this haunting D minor 7 chord, thumb, second finger, pinky in the right hand, and then just move the left hand, F over G, and then resolve it on this beautiful C major 7 chord, F major 7, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to a B minor 7, and then listen to this chord, oh crunchy. We got thumb, middle finger, pinky, and that's an E flat 9 chord, resolving to an A minor, but we don't end there, we move the middle note, make it an A major, and then we go through those chords again. D minor 7 to an F over G, to a C major 7, and an F major 7, B minor 7, E flat 9, and then at the end we go to a D minor 7, F over G, and when we're leading to the verse 3, we play this G over A. It's the only time we play that chord, and that leads us into the 3rd verse. But if we're playing the guitar solo, it's the same chords as the chorus, just the ending is a little bit different. Let me play through the ending of the guitar solo. So, D minor 7, F over G, C major 7, F major 7, and this is where it changes. Straight to the D over E, 2 times, and then E flat over F, and that is what builds into the next chorus. The reason we have this interesting chord, it's because it leads into a key change, which means the whole song shifts up higher, and it just adds a whole nother dynamic to the song. It makes the song feel like it's lifting. Speaking of that, let's play that chorus. So we've just built E flat over F in the guitar solo, then we go to a E flat minor 7 for the start of the chorus. Did I dream that we move the left hand, G flat over A flat, D flat major 7 to a G flat major 7, a B major. Now you'll notice there's mostly black notes in this new key. F flat 9, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to a B flat minor, and move the middle note up to make it a B. Let's go through all those chords again. E flat minor 7, G flat over A flat, D flat major 7, G flat major 7, B, F flat 9, then it's slightly different here at the end. I'm the king, and E flat minor 7, G flat over A flat, resolve on the D flat major 7, G flat major 7, E flat minor 7, and F flat 9. Now those chorus chords kind of rotate again and again, and you can repeat that last chorus as many times as you want. But for now, that is how to play all of the parts for King and Queen of Hearts. If you want a better visual representation of how all those parts fit together, have a look at the cheat sheet in the description below. But for now, I'm going to have a jam through all of the parts to show you how they fit together.
The King and Queen of Hearts, hold me when the music starts. All my dreams come true when I dance with you. Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together? On a night that I prayed would never end. Oh, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Time will pass and tears will fall, but someday we'll both recall moments made of these golden memories. Ooh, yeah. Dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I prayed would never end. Oh, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen in a once and future dream where the dancers never seem to stop.